วิตใส่ถุงเท้าเขาจะได้เก็บโต๊ะ
สวัสดีครับพี่โกไหนเบียร์อุ้ยเห็นแวบ
พี่มีใครรอเพื่อนไหมคะ
มองเลย
เขาบอกว่า5 นาที
ก็ถ่ายด้วยบ้าง
วันนี้นะคะเราจะปั่นทั้งหมด80 กิโลนะคะก็เดี๋ยวเราจะก่อนออกตัวเนี่ยเราจะปั่นไปแถวคู่แล้วประมาณกิโลที่35เราจะหยุดพักเติมน้ำก่อนขึ้น7 คตนะคะก็ปั่นปลอดภัยนะคะถ้าใครไม่ขึ้นก็ไปร้านกาแฟกับหนูไปไหม
ใจเย็นข้องแตกเลยนะพี่โกอาจจะทริปนี้อาจจะไม่ค่อยเต็มตาเต็มใจเท่าไหร่นะครับเดี๋ยวสาวไม่ค่อยเยอะ
Never was a thug, just infatuated with guns. Never was a gangster till I graduated to one and got the rap of a villain, the weapon concealing. Took the image of a thug, captured a villain, willing to stick out my neck for respect. If it meant life or death, never lived to regret what I said. When you're me, people just wanna see if it's true, if it's you. What you saying, you rap, what you do, so they feel it's part of your obligation to fulfill. When they see you on the streets, face to face, and you're for real. The confrontation ain't no conversation if you feel you're in violation. Any hesitation to get you killed. If you feel it, kill it. You conceal it, reveal it. Being reasonable will leave you full of bullets. Pull it, squeeze it till it's empty. Tempt me, push me, pussies. I need a good reason to give this trigger a good squeeze.
I don't know what's worth fighting for, or why I have to scream. But now I have some clarity to show you what I mean. I don't know how I got this way. I'll never be alright, so I'm breaking the habits tonight.
Don't raise your hand this time, I'll save myself. Maybe I'll wake up for once. Not tormented daily, defeated by you. Just when I thought I'd reached the bottom. Blurring and stirring the truth and the lies. Always confusing the thoughts in my head. So I can't trust myself anymore. I'm dying again. I'm going
I don't know what's worth fighting for, or why I have to scream. But now I have some clarity to show you what I mean. I don't know how I got this way. I'll never be alright, so I'm breaking the habits tonight.
I be in the people all up in the lobby. Not Illuminati, this is Neil Literati. With an army here behind me, kid, don't even try me. Atom bombing anybody, we're dependent Bobby. Let the smoke roll, get the Bruce spilling. Debut a new villain like Ren and Doom chilling. My shoes are too winning for you to cruise in them. Timeless cool like blue denim, I'm losing them. And these are just the flows that I was saving ever since the days of Pac-Man and at the days. And I've been paving ways for them to make a basic conversation. The only Asian raising health kid in Copenhagen. Okay, I'm half an over math and Japanese. The flow is tight like I got vascular disease. Magically, take it where the fact it has to be. I've been mapping out the future while your ass is catching Z's. Oh no, okay, you don't say. I rewrote the code that's controlling the whole game. Wanna start shit dissing me? No way. My triangle button's been missing, I don't play. So you can put it in sleep mode. Synonymous with rhyming like Konami and cheat codes. Kathy Bates' misery of the beat foes. And do it without ever changing out of my street codes.
I don't know what's worth fighting for, or why I have to scream. But now I have some clarity to show you what I mean. I don't know how I got this way. I'll never be alright, so I'm breaking the habits tonight.
Memories consume, like opening the wounds. I'm picking me apart again. You all assume I'm safe here in my room, unless I try to start again. I don't want to be the one the battles always choose, 'cause inside I realize that I'm the one confused. I don't want to be the one the battles always choose, 'cause inside I realize that I'm the one confused.
I'll paint it on the walls, 'cause I'm the one that falls. I'll never fight again, and this is how it ends. I don't know what's worth fighting for, or why I have to scream. But now I have some clarity to show you what I mean. I don't know how I got this way. I'll never be alright, so I'm breaking
จะมา KOM เลยเอาคันนี้มา